Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Discord account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your Discord account, first open up your preferred browser. As I have already opened the Google Chrome. You can also complete this task from the Discord app itself, but I have not downloaded it, hence I'll be completing this task from the Google browser itself. And you can open any of the browsers you like, and after opening your browser, click on search bar and type in discord.com like this and hit enter, or you can just simply search for Discord login like this and hit enter, and you can see the Discord home page on the first result of Google. Click over there and you can see both of these pages are same. One was from the Google search result, where another was from the direct web address. So now log into your Discord account from over here. You can see the login option available at the top right corner of the screen. Click on login, where I'm hovering right now, and after that you can see this is the login page of Discord itself. Now you'll be required to enter your email address over here, and after that enter your password over here, like my computer has auto-filled it for me. Or if you have forgotten your password, simply click on forgot your password to go through a procedure to retrieve your password relating to the account. Or if you have not yet created an account on Discord, simply click on register to go through a procedure to sign up for or register an account on Discord. And now that being said, let's click on login. And there, guys, we have successfully logged into our Discord account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.